Welcome to UNV How-To series. In this episode, we will show you how to switch analog camera video format on XVR. Let's get started. Click Ctrl+PTZ icon on the main interface. Click OSD menu control. Click the menu button to activate the configuration interface. Use up and down navigation keys to highlight video format. Press left and right to toggle mode options. Click Save and Restart to apply changes. Allow several seconds for system reboot. You can also switch video format on Live View window toolbar. Click Camera Info icon. Locate the Signal drop-down menu. Choose desired format. Click OK and the video format will be changed. Thanks for watching.